Syncing your Chrome bookmarks and apps. Google Chrome is the web browser most widely recommended at the college. It is capable of displaying most websites and online tools as they are intended. It is also very customizable. You can add extensions to help you with your common tasks, you can set up bookmarks into folders, and you can change accessibility options to help you navigate the web more comfortably. To get the most benefit from Google Chrome, you need to sign in and enable syncing. On a PC or a Mac, within the Chrome browser, click the circular current user icon and select Turn on Sync. You will be asked to enter the details of your Google account. Any Google email address will work, including your college email account. Enter the address, followed by the password. You will then be asked if you want to turn on sync. Click Yes. If, like me, you have used these features before, Google will now take a few seconds to sync up your bookmarks, extensions, and more. Some of your existing extensions may have a setup page like this one, so just close any tabs that you don't need. As you can see, I now have a bookmarks bar with all of the websites I need to access on a regular basis. I can also create folders within this bookmarks bar by simply right-clicking and clicking Add Folder. To ensure your bookmarks bar appears, click the settings icon on the right-hand side, Bookmarks, and make sure Show Bookmarks Bar is ticked. If I want to add a website to my bookmarks for future use, I simply click the star in the address bar. I can adjust the name on the bookmark and choose whether I want it to appear on my bookmarks bar itself or in one of the folders I have already made. These bookmarks will follow me wherever I log into Chrome, so if I log in on a college PC, I have access to my bookmarks there, or my laptop at home, or even my phone or tablet. As well as bookmarks, another feature of Google Chrome is extensions. There are thousands of extensions available, each designed for a specific task. For example, this extension is a dictionary, so I can easily look up a word if I don't know it. It also allows me to double-click a word and immediately get a definition, and help with pronouncing the word.
Empty.
This extension, on the other hand, is just a very quick weather report. To add an extension, click the Apps button on your bookmarks bar, followed by Web Store. You can browse the extensions recommended, but if you know what you are looking for, simply search for it in the search bar at the top. Once you find the extension you wish to add, click Add to Chrome and confirm your choice in the next box. You will get a confirmation to say that the extension has been added to Chrome. Newly enabled extensions may not always be visible. You can find all of your extensions in this Extensions button. If you wish for them to appear permanently along the top bar, press the pin icon. If multiple people use the same Chrome device, it is still possible for each of you to sync your accounts. Clicking your user button enables you to add other people. Type in the name of the second user and click Add. And they will be greeted with a blank Chrome window of their own, with which they could sign in themselves and have access to all of their bookmarks and extensions. This way, multiple people can use Chrome without interfering with each other's settings. Simply click on the user button to switch between accounts as and when needed.